Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Ore-Ida French fries in an air fryer. First, preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. It's crucial not to thaw the fries beforehand. They go straight from the freezer into the air fryer. Remember, for the crispiest results, ensure you don't overcrowd the basket. This allows for even air circulation and perfect browning. Once your air fryer is preheated, arrange a single layer of frozen Ore-Ida French fries in the basket. Cook them for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure to shake the basket vigorously halfway through the cooking time. This ensures all sides of the fries get exposed to the hot air, promoting even cooking and that desirable golden brown finish. If you like them extra crispy, a light spray of cooking oil before cooking can help. Achieving that perfect crispiness is key. Keep a close eye on your fries during the final few minutes of cooking to prevent them from becoming too dark. Every air fryer model can vary slightly, so you might need to adjust the cooking time by a minute or two to match your preferred level of crispiness. Remember, cooking smaller batches generally yields crispier results compared to trying to cook a very large amount at once. As soon as your Ore-Ida French fries are done, transfer them to a bowl and immediately season them with salt and any other favorite seasonings you enjoy. The heat helps the seasonings adhere beautifully. Serve them piping hot with your preferred dipping sauces, whether it's ketchup, mayonnaise, or a special aioli. Now you have perfectly crispy, delicious French fries, just like you'd get from a restaurant, right at home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.